Welcome family. So finally done. UWI for now, at least my first degree. So finally done my first degree and now like actually elated. But just life on to the next step. Anyways, this is just me like filling you guys in on what has happened and what is going to happen in the future basically for the most part. So if any of that interests you, stick around. If you like, share, comment, subscribe, tell a friend, and yo, with that said, let's begin. Alright, first thing first, I finish college with no student loan. And truth is, I kind of give up some A's for that because, well, but I work, and if I don't work, but I work at that time, but I have to do some sort of something because my scholarship never cover everything, basically. It never cover everything. And I could have, but then I never want to do it because, well, rather down the student loan than take it out and stay there, you know, like go school. Because after that student loan, matter of fact, I'm gonna show you amortization schedule, like right here. So, 'cause this is something we learn as well. To show you amortization schedule and show you how much money made I pay back if I was supposed to borrow, give or take me 1.2 mil, give or take. So student loan bureau, Jamaica, like them charge around 9%, alright, give or take for base rate. And then them charge for 15 years when some of them can go up to 20, but 15 years. This are just assuming say yo, yeah, I get roughly like 1.2 in total. So like 300 odd every year for school fee. Alright. When you put it in the amortization calculator, which as I put it in 1.2 million. So you can zoom up look more. 1.2 million 15 years you pay monthly and the interest rate at 9%. Basically you would be paying roughly, so this should be the amount you did borrow. Your scheduled payment would be like around 12 grand a month. That's why people always say it's really expensive. But the total interest paid would be basically $990,000 interest you'd pay on the $1.2 million give or take. So the total payment would be $2.2 million roughly from the $1.2 million you borrow. So basically double the amount you pay. Isn't it? So no one that. Some give some A's, yeah. Some of kind of put some other courses that was associated because not only school I say I have to go and come. I mean live far from you, like far, well, relatively. But yeah. In addition to that, you kind of get some get help from like my family and him some there with like lunch money and him some there. So it kind of help, but for the most part, this are putting the work personally. So what the plan? Matter of fact right now is like 4:30, and I record this video because I'm go work later. So one, like the first thing first is like I'm gonna just continue work because I'm gonna work. So I'm just continue work. Literally just transitioning from going school and work to just work full time now, basically. That's the plan. Still in the finance industry, but not in like the investing industry yet. But yeah, can't say that much for now. So why am I just really try just build up back my stock portfolio because I did sell some stocks them. But like sometimes put the gap for school and them something there. So there is that. But for the most part I just build up back my stock portfolio to where it was and then just try supersede that. Also, I'm gonna start actually go to the gym because since I work now, I have a consistent stream of cash flow if I can like fully invest in the gym. I try to get back to my original self. Yeah, try to get back to original self and then push it further. I've been working on my diet though, which has helped. Yeah, it has helped and still not forget we deal for all who there from the OG days. Still not forget we deal. You just push back to December for the most part. So that essentially, become body feel nice and can rip the brand, but so talk about the brand anyway. So and then about September, October, come have to save the money whilst I invest. About September, October, I'm going to the FMVA course which basically just it teach you like it's like a mini CFA basically, but most just teach you like modeling and them stuff there. And I am practicing modeling now. If you don't know what modeling is, it's not runway. Man, I have modeling body right now. Me me talk about actually you know, stress testing, analyzing financial statements and projecting them using either income statement or them cash flow, and then get like a valuation. Essentially it's just a whole loop. So basically what I normally do, I probably do the first two part or maybe three give or take. I'm do relative valuation, but like one, so me do like pull the financials, put it together, the ratios, and then the relative valuation, I'm done. But there are actually three other quantitative aspects and then a qualitative aspect to like actually analyzing or modeling a stock. You see me? So we've learned that, guys. Give honestly, I know more than the average, but I still don't like, because of the circle I'm in. Still know something I don't think. You see me? If that, I don't know if that makes sense. Like you know more than the average person, but in your group, yeah, literally don't this person. So yeah, that you get for hanging out with managers. So yeah, so after FMVA, which probably take me about maybe about 3 or 4 months, so I must say up to December. Then as related to education wise, I think I might try to the CFA in September, either CFA or I'm going to do a master's in corporate finance. Yeah. So vice versa, I can be CFA in masters or masters in CFA. I don't know, but by then probably definitely I got another like actual investing field. You see me? Cause by doing that alone, especially if you have like a CFA or masters, it's not going to only make you more attractive in the marketplace. Like personally, I just feel like if I have the necessary qualifications, I would be able or at least qualified for actually even like, I wouldn't say give financial advice, but can project information, stay guys where you can then their own due diligence or with your financial advisor as always. I'm not gonna be your financial advisor, but whatever institution I am, I probably become a financial advisor when I can, talk to him things there. But not proper contact people in place. So eh. And ultimately it's just for like at the end of the day, like whenever I actually start my own investment firm or whatever, I have the necessary skill sets to actually like do it. You see me? So yeah. And I love learning, but we need the skill sets. And yeah, I want my YouTube videos to, even though it be fun and something there, I feel like I could give you guys more as it relates to the quantitative, plus also helps with the quantitative aspect of it as well, guys. Yeah, but know something and more like I'll actually do my research properly, but I think I could do better. But yeah, my audience young like me, so most of them don't really care about the quantitative like that they just want to know say I figure what I work with and then that. But I just feel like say the best thing, watch here, but if I want a mic for sure, yo. But if I want a mic, if it don't sound good, me have to record this before. But yeah, but at the end of the day, just improve my skills as an individual, so that I can like better give you guys information, better be more active in the marketplace, and just simply just setting up myself for like a necessary skill set to branch off. Speaking of skills, for far too long, probably about 6 months now, I put down the whole Forex thing. And the reason I'm putting it down is because truth is, with Forex, you actually need capital. I'm not gonna lie, and UWI was draining my pockets, and I had to make a conscious decision. Alright, you can go under this. I just focus on school and do some other stuff when I'm more capital intensive, and then go back to that. So I'm done this now, I'm done UWI. So basically, I'm gonna just focus on the other part of it. Basically, I actually focus on the Forex now. So I don't know, might start dropping Forex content if you guys actually interested in that. But what's that? Yeah, I'm just gonna practice and see oh well me can build up certain things and him some there. I know I'm not go back to Forex versus L no. No. So yeah. At least I'm not sure. I don't think so, but who knows? So I'm put in some serious work. I have always the reason I have a lot of babies. I mean, cool, I mean, like, I have a lot of small businesses or small stuff that I've completely neglected for college because I just want to get this, oh boy, get this degree done. And yes, I'm gonna start back. YouTube is also one of them. Because I do school and work and everything, is like I'm actually not being able to like drop as much videos as I want to, and it's not all out of content because I have content for days, for years. Then I'm always doing my content for the next 2 years, even if I drop a video once a week. There's some stuff coming up in December. The host tour will have something fun. I'm have something interesting, which probably some of you guys I want to try. um Along with some other regular stock content. I have some stock content, I have some analysis as well that I've been working on, and the next video after this is going to be growth stocks, which kaga. Anyways, so we have content, and I also buy some new books. It's for like explain the theory or explain the main idea behind it while providing you guys like some actually usable resources. Basically, so I work on that as well. There's a lot of stuff I work on. Isn't it? Man, I like there's a lot of stuff now, some personal stuff I deal with too. Not like personal stuff, lifestyle related, you know. There's some personal stuff that I don't really feel comfortable talking about it just yet. But some good stuff anyway, so yeah. Here's that. Also, I don't know if this even makes sense, but someone had said that I should start doing a Patreon where like even if we can't make videos on him something there when I edit it, just come and talk on like a weekly basis and drop my analysis on him something there. Yeah. Probably think about doing it because you could do that, could like give like research information and so on and so forth. We probably analyze like a stock every 2 weeks or so. You know, just them little things there for like build up the community, and then like just send out the documents essentially based on like a personal development or even just stocks and investing on Forex. But I'm not work out that yet. Of course, I also have, speaking of me, for contact somebody, because the course I have is going to be official now. Like I'm gonna put it on a website where you can just like pay for my card, rate it. So yeah, so I have enough stuff getting. And then of course, you know, poverty is a sin. I'm going to try, and I'm not going to try, I have the necessary skill sets because summer school I used my free electives to do courses that would actually help me in business wise. So I did entrepreneurship and marketing, more information. Now I feel like I'm a bit more confident when it relates to like advertising and name something there. So I work out that, you know, branding and everything, and yeah, build out the community, figure out all of this stuff, just talk to other partners, and you know, just make it make sense really. And essentially that's the 411 for this video, at least up to December and going into next year. That is the plan. So just build up my stock portfolio because you brought me you know, I just done school and me go back like that in a sense, but you know, I get things done. So buy them things there. So get that out of the way, get them education thing out of the way, start your back Forex, start going to the gym, below the other businesses, and just grow from there. So, and that's just a catch up. This video wasn't even planned, but just get up and say, you know what, I bet I'm just talk to you guys. Yeah. So with that said, if you don't sound good, me have to record it back over. Wait. With that said, catch you in the next video, guys. May I try drop at least one video every week now, because YouTube, I believe, like YouTube can make money for me, especially because of the finance. And I don't really look at my monetization thing really, cause but I looked at it like yesterday and I'm like, if me drop one video a week, if me drop one video a month and at least I'm getting. So maybe I drop 4 videos a week. You see me? And probably that's why I see some YouTubers just are rinsy, but me not necessarily do it for the money. I like giving the content. I'm like express information in a fun way, and that's just me. Is me? And when I create value, money come naturally. So yeah, but that is it, my peoples, and good people in work I know. So as always, lovely guys. Catch you next video.